welcome to the ice, Antari Suchard.
First Junior Grand Prix season for Pantari, 13 years old, 19th after the short program, skating her free here to East of Eden.
Ladies and gentlemen, from Thailand, Antari Suchard.
But she's really a beautiful skater and feels her music. Has a bit of a challenge with the multi-rotational jumps here. That double axle is pretty much curving around the corner, so she doesn't get the speed and momentum taking her up into the air. There's double axle again right around the corner there. She's trying to get around that jump, doesn't get all the way around and doesn't have enough momentum taking her through the jump. Okay, that's the double axel. But the rest of the elements, here's the double flip, reloads, double toe loop. Nice. Look at the nice stretch free leg, the nice arms, a good posture. Big double flip, double toe, double loop. So from the technical perspective, good technique for the doubles and enough speed to get through them. If you're entering the triple world, you're going to need to have a little bit more momentum, a little quickness, a little more height, a little bit more aggressive on that. But that will come as she grows and as she gets strength, as she explores how to spin fast in the air. Lovely skater. Good basic jump mechanics are fine. It's just using the science that she requires to get all the way around those jumps, and that just comes with strength and quickness. That's just growing. And a nice job. Pantari of Thailand.
The scores, please.
And here's a look at the free program scores.
Suchar from Thailand,
72.86. That's first in the free program, and that represents the quality of her skating and her program components. 112.47 for the competition, and Pantari is currently in first place overall.